Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So as you can see in today's video, we are doing a good old swatching video. So I am swatching the Office collection from Madam Glam. I know that I'm a little late to the party with this one because this has been out for a little while now, and I think they're going to be coming out with a new collection quite soon. But I wanted to get this swatching video out to you guys. So if this is something you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click that like and subscribe for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to get into doing some comparisons for you guys with the Office collection. So as you could see, they all applied really, really nicely. Most of them are very, very thick, very pigmented. The only two that I would say that you would absolutely unequivocally have to do 2 coats would be the pink with benefits, which pinks are very, very hard. Light pinks are very hard to use. And Office Gossip was pretty good coverage with 1 coat, but it still needed 2. The rest of them, you could in a pinch get away with doing 1 coat, but I always recommend doing 2 thin coats just so everything is cured very, very well. So let's get into comparisons. So NSW, which stands for not suitable for work, which is really cute, is a very nice vibrant blue. So I'm just going to pull out my blues and see if I have anything that I would compare. So I have these 2 blues here. Let's see. So this one is Luxio Fanfare, and what is this one? This one is Mosaic M5. So I would say it's not really comparable to either of them. Mosaic one has some shimmer in it. It's more of a cobalt blue. This Fanfare one is more of a sky blue. This NSFW one is more, I would say, has just a tiny bit of a teal to it. It's coming up really, really bluish, like navy purple in the camera. It is not like that at all. I wish it would actually show very true. I would say it's way more comparable to something that has a smidgen of teal in it. Let me see if I have anything. Yeah, I really don't have anything. It would be, in my opinion, like if you mixed this with a little bit of this, like a little tiny bit of this with that would give you something like this. So it does have a bit of a teal undertone, very, very, very small undertone, but it is really, really quite blue. It's just not as blue as like a cobalt blue or like a primary blue, for example. So really nice color, and it covered very well. And then moving on to the purple one. So let me grab my purples and see if I've got anything in here. I don't think I have anything here, so that's no. What do I have for new colors? Let me see in the new Madam Glams if I have anything. Yeah, no, I would say this is just a good purple on its own. I have nothing to compare it to. I'm just going to pull out that purple swatch kit again and see. Yeah, there's nothing that I would compare it to. To me, this is like a very, very awesome Halloween purple. So you know when we mix purple and orange, this would be an absolute perfect purple for that. Let me pull an orange, like a bright orange, and see. Like this one, for example. Let's just put these together and like, hello, that doesn't scream Halloween. I don't know what does. So I don't know why they put it in the Office collection necessarily. Even the blue one, I'm not sure. I don't know what that has to do with like being an Office, but or even fall, because these are all, you can tell, very, very fall colors. Well, minus the pink, I guess. But as a Halloween color, this will be perfect if you have a bright orange, or even just like, I don't know, any kind of an orange will probably suffice. Let's see, I've got a dark orange. Let me see if that would go. Yeah, not as well. I would definitely say you'd want to do a bright orange with that for Halloween. So Office Gossip. And then I've got Super Busy, which is a very, very plummy color. Now I have a plum called Plum Addict from Madam Glam. Let me pull that one out. Plum Addict, here we go. Let me check those 2 out. Okay, they're very, very close. I would say Super Busy is a little bit lighter. I shouldn't say a lot lighter, but it is lighter. Plum Addict is definitely darker of a plum. Very, very nice though, both of them. Let me pull out that Velvet Queen just so you can see the difference in how much more of a pink the Velvet Queen has to it. Definitely a lot more of a pink. And I think that those would be the only 2, yeah, that I would compare to it. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Well, actually, Shimmer Sexy Berry again. You could put those together, but Shimmer Sexy Berry is way more of a on the red tone. Definitely got more of that reddish tone. This is Super Busy is way more purple. So again, let me pull out my other purples from different brands and see if there's anything. Yeah, no, there's nothing here. So that's Super Busy. And then we've got Always Late. So I'm gonna get my nude swatch sticks. Let's see if I've got anything in here. No, I don't really have anything from any other company that I would say would be comparable. It's kind of a peanut buttery color, I would say. So let me see in my last batch of Madam Glam, do I have anything in here? Nope, nothing there. And then let me see, I've got Light Ruby and Stylishly Fashionable from my other swatch video. So again, those two are very, very similar. But yeah, Always Late is definitely more on the brown tone. So I don't really have anything to compare that to other than itself. It's really, really a nice color. I've used it a lot in this last couple of weeks here. So then Pink with Benefits. Let me grab my pink swatch sticks. So it's more definitely of a purpley pink. Yeah, I don't have anything like that at all. You know, on its own, when you look at it, it just looks like a baby pink. But when you put it next to these pinks, and you can very much see how purple it is. Way more of a purple hue. So I don't have anything to compare that to at all. It is something on its own. It's really, really nice. And definitely one you can use in the summer and spring. And then we've got Gray Area. Okay, so I don't have a lot of grays because I honestly just would always mix black and white and make my own gray. So I've got this one here from Ugly Duckling, which is more of a taupey gray. This one is number 25 from Ugly Duckling. You can really see the difference. This one, obviously, the Ugly Duckling having way more of a brownish, purpley hue to it. Gray Area is very gray, very true to like black. If you mixed just black and white, that's the type of gray you would get. Let me see, I know I had one that was kind of taupey. Okay, yeah, this one here. So this is Pretty Liar from Madam Glam as well, and it's more on the taupey gray. Again, as you can see, it's way more comparable to the Ugly Duckling number 25. So yeah, I'm glad that I got that. It's always awesome when I get something that I don't have anything like already, like in the Madam Glam collection. Obviously, I'm trying to replace all of my other colors with Madam Glam. So I like that I don't have, like, it's not the same as Pretty Liar, that those are very different. I'm enjoying that. So that's Gray Area. Now we've got a green one called Night Shift. So let me pull out my green swatches and see. I don't think that I have anything. I have had so many clients over the last few years asking me for like army green or olive green. I did end up finding this one a long time ago. I don't even remember the company that it is. I mean, it's on my shelf somewhere, but it's a very olive green. As you can see, they're very different. Night Shift is more of a taupey green or like a dusty green. I don't think, let me see here. I have one green that I got in my last batch of colors from Madam Glam called Down to Earth. As you can see, very different. So I would say Down to Earth is more of that like army kind of olivey green, and the Night Shift is just different. It's like you would mix, it's like if you mixed forest green with a nude or a taupe. That's what Night Shift is. Really, really nice fall color. Very, very pretty. So that's Night Shift. Now we've got I Need a Latte, so that is kind of a yellow. I don't have a lot of yellows. I don't even know if I have any yellows. I don't think I have any except for a neon one, and then one of the new ones that I just got from Madam Glam last time called Halo. So Halo is way brighter of a yellow way, way brighter, much more of a summery sunflower kind of yellow. I Need a Latte has a little bit of an orange hue to it. Even if you compare it here over to my little prop, my little leaf, you can see it matches quite well to that, and that definitely has a lot more of an orange hue to it. So I Need a Latte, I don't have anything like that, so that's an awesome thing. And then Toffee Break is an orange. Again, I'm going to pull out that one from Madam Glam that I purchased last time. It is called Bang Bang. I would say it's probably, yeah, it's way more of a reddy orange, way more of a burnt orange. Toffee Break is not even close to that. Let's see what I've got on my other swatch sticks. I don't have very many oranges. I think I've got 2. Yep, I've got 2 oranges. And they're nothing close to that at all. So again, a really nice fall orange is Toffee Break. And then French Roast and Toffee Break, I'll show you them together so you can see there is a slight difference. Toffee Break is more on the yellowish, yellowy orange. And then I'm going to compare Bang Bang and French Toast just so you can see the difference. Bang Bang was in part of the collection that I purchased last time. And again, that Bang Bang is a real burnt orange. French Roast is more of a brownish, tannish orange. So there you go. So that's it for all the comparisons.
All right, guys. So there we have it, the Office collection from Madam Glam. I would love to know in the comment section below if you have this collection, which one is your favorite? I'm kind of torn between Always Late and Super Busy because I've used Always Late a ton and a ton in the last couple of weeks, but I always tend to gravitate towards the plum colors. So I'm kind of torn between the two. So if you loved this video, please share it with someone else. And as always, guys, have an amazing day.